here. You're starting to worry me, mate. You better watch those falling grades before your mum and your dad send you to boarding school. I'm serious. I'd be careful with this ace lightning stuff before you get too deep in the hole and you can't get out.
Ace! 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 Ace, is that you? Is that you? Ace, where are you?
Can't find your lucky ace, you foolish mortal? Perhaps you'd like to be the ace up my sleeve.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone. 'Cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It waits a hero in us all.
Morning. I got this yesterday. Forgot to give it to you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Mark, hold your horses, please. Back here.
What's the problem, Simon?
Apparently, these grades are the problem.
3 C's, a D and an F?
And don't tell me the grading system is different here. I know it's not.
Mark, we had no idea.
Mum, Dad, I know you're disappointed. I've just been really busy lately.
Oh, busy? With what?
Well, apparently not with schoolwork.
There's been a lot going on down at the carnival.
Oh, you've been busy at the carnival.
All right, young man. We've been patient up to now because of the move. But that's it. The adjustment period is over.
All right, Dad, I promised I'll do better.
I know you will. Because you're going to be here, at home, doing your homework and nothing else.
You mean I'm grounded?
Yeah, that's right. No TV, no video games, and no more wasting time at that ridiculous carnival. I mean, look at that. A D in English? I mean, he is English.
Yes! The amulet.
And they'll break Ace so he can't get up.
You know, someday you and I are going to have a serious disagreement.
Ah! You make fun of Anvil. Anvil not dumb. Anvil mad. And when Anvil gets mad, Anvil hits. Ah!
Hey, what gives? That's the part where you're supposed to fall down.
No, you fall down. Good. Huh? Where'd he go?
Heads up, handsome.
Ah! Ah!
I hate to fight and fly, but I've got a date with a generator.
Sam, wake up. What happened to you? Where should I start? How about my parents freaking out over my report card, then grounding me, then lecturing me just long enough for me to miss my bus?
Sorry I asked.
What was that?
I don't know. I'd better go check it out. See you at lunch, Sam. What happened?
Power failure. But I can make it home on empty.
This is a total disaster.
Oh, get over it, kid. Hey, I've got good news. I found a piece of the amulet. We put it together with your piece, and we'll have another lightning night. That's not bad for a day's work, huh?
Glad one of us is having a good day.
Hey, kid, I'm gonna need some help putting the amulet together.
Look, Ace, the world doesn't stop because you found a piece of the amulet. I have a life too, you know. Look, Ace, I'd love to help, but I can't. I'm grounded.
Oh, kid, back off. You'll drain my power.
Not that kind of grounded. No, you wouldn't understand.
Listen, kid, we've got to get past Anvil. He's stronger than ever, and I can't defeat him alone.
Anvil? I've got a bad feeling about this.
Don't worry, I'll hold him off. For as long as I can.
Well, I'm late for class. Okay, I'll try and find out how to beat Anvil and get the piece of the amulet. Try and get some decent grades while I'm at it. Psst, Chuck. I need your help.
Talk to me, dude.
Okay. I got to this level on my home game, but I'm stuck. Ace Lightning can't get the piece of the amulet because the Anvil is standing guard.
In there, dude. Anvil's one tough hombre, and he just keeps getting stronger as the game goes on.
You'd better be discussing schoolwork, gentlemen, not some new computer game.
Actually, sir, this is quite important. The fate of the world depends on it.
Fortunately, as president of the Ace Lightning fan club, Conestoga Hills chapter, I have access to a vast network of top secret information. I'll just log on to the club's website and post a query. Done and done. Sorry, dude. Members only.
So what was this big bang this morning?
Big bang? Oh, yeah, it was nothing. Just someone dropping in.
Pay dirt!
Chuck, we were just...
Sorry, Samantha. Unless you're a certified member of the Ace Lightning fan club, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. Mark and I have some private business to discuss.
Chuck, can't we do this later?
You know what? I was just about to leave.
No, Sam.
Women, can't live with them, can't live without them.
Okay, Chuck. So what do you got?
Okay. Here's a map of the carnival and a breakdown of the Anvil's capabilities.
Chicken fingers and apple cobbler.
Oh, sorry. Next week's lunch menu. Mrs. Kutcher and I planned them together. Anyway, bottom line is, Ace Lightning can't retrieve the amulet and fight off the Anvil at the same time. When you get this far in the game, he needs another Lightning Knight to help him.
That's what I was afraid of.
Ace Lightning found another piece of the amulet.
I think he's close, boss. Real close. What are we gonna do? He'll get another lightning night. He'll clobber us. We won't stand a chance.
Shut up! He won't get another lightning night if we steal his piece of the amulet first. It's simply a matter of ripping it off the scrawny neck of his little sidekick.
Oh, brilliant strategy, my lord.
Yes. Fetch the wretched Duff. We're going back to school.
On my way.
Come on, Holiday, show some hustle. That's right, Ramirez, thing right down the middle. Right!
Look, you got some talent, but you need to be focused. Okay? You got to keep your eye on the ball. You with me, Hollander?
Yeah, focus. Sorry, Coach. You're all right, man? Have you ever had one of those days?
All the time.
Every day of your life?
Flee, you puny coward! Soon Lord Fear will reign supreme. My loyal staff, it's time to slither off and meet your new classmate.
With pleasure, your lordship. I'm on my way.
Hey, you.
Oh, hey.
Well, I thought you might need some cheering up, so you want to hang out after school?
Yeah, that'd be great. But I can't. I'm grounded, remember?
Oh, yeah. Then we'll all come together, just the two of us.
Yeah, that'd be brilliant.
Hello, mate. Forget something. Beautiful day, isn't it?
On second thought, Sam, why don't you go ahead? I'll catch up later.
All right. You promise?
Yeah, I promise. Absolutely.
Lightning here.
Hi, Ace, it's me.
Ah, if it isn't little Mr. Hollander. Oh, dear me. Against the rules. Using a cell phone in school property. Didn't you know? Huh? Hand it over.
Mr. Chesbury, you don't understand.
Now, Mr. Hollander.
Hey, kid. You ready to rumble at the Carnival of Doom?
This is Mr. Chesborough, Mr. Hollander's science teacher. To whom am I speaking?
This is Ace Lightning from the 6th dimension. I'm a superhero.
A superhero? I guess that must make me Batman. Excuse me while I put on my cape.
Batman.
Wait, Mr. Chesborough, I really need my cell phone back.
Oh, crikey.
I'm in a bit of trouble.
I know. I've seen your grades. I should like a little time to sit and study this trouble you're in. Say about 2 weeks detention should do it.
Hey, up here. Your lordship. I need a hand, please.
My loyal staff. Did you annihilate the wretched sidekick, perchance?
Another mortal appeared, my lord. We'll have to bide our time.
Wait, Mr. Chesborough.
Not for long, we won't.
I'm in Chesborough, wait for no man.
Oh, crikey. It's him.
Duff, start the engine.
You heard him, mate. Step on it faster. Forward.
Speed up, you lump of humanity.
Mr. Chesborough, wait.
Please,
can I have one more phone call?
You've already had your one phone call, Mr. Hollander. Sweet mother of pearl. My car. My car. My car. It's decimated. Who on earth would do?
That's your car, Mr. Chesborough?
What do you know about this, Mr. Hollander?
Nothing. I swear, it wasn't me. It must have been an asteroid or a meteor.
Or a superhero from another dimension, maybe.
Well, actually, now that you mention it...
I have just had enough of you, Hollander! Now I demand an explanation, now!
I'm sorry, Mr. Chesborough, I can't talk right now.
You can run, Hollander! You can run, but you can't hide!
You idiot! He's escaping!
Somebody's gonna pay for this. That was a brand new briefcase! 4 years ago.
He told me to wait for him. That is it. He is just way too rude. And fast.
I know where you live, Hollander!
Come to Papa. It's almost too easy. I'm simply too powerful for you and lightning. Yes, I sometimes wish for a worthy opponent, but not today. Now give me the amulet.
Ace! 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 Ace, is that you? Ace, where are you?
Can't find your lucky ace, you foolish mortal?
This can't be happening.
Perhaps you'd like to be the ace up my sleeve.
No. No.
Playtime's over, Fear.
Thanks, Ace.
I'll always be there for you, kid.
Well, isn't that special? Anvil, finish them off. Both of them.
This time Anvil breaks you into itty-bitty pieces.
I'll keep Chuckles happy. Get the amulet. It's in that thing over there.
Careful, Lightning. He might get a real crush on you.
Has anybody got a quarter? Never mind. Come on, come on. Yes.
I've been itching for a little action. Let's kick some villain butt.
Not a very dignified exit, if you know what I mean, my lord.
Shut up! Until the next time.
Been a long time, Ace. You never call, you never write.
Good to see you too, Sparks.
Wow! Sparks, I've played you before.
Who's this squirt?
Name's Mark. He's one of us. A lightning knight.
Ace, we've been through this before. I'm not a lightning knight.
That kid's a lightning knight? I hear it, Ace, but I don't buy it.
Hold on a minute. I'm the one who just brought you back from the 6th dimension. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't be here.
Thanks for the lift. But you're still kind of scrawny, aren't you?
Scrawny? Maybe that's because I'm not a lightning knight. I'm a kid. A kid with homework and bad grades and parents who ground me. He'll probably kill me when my teacher tells him to wreck his car. Oh yeah, and a girlfriend. Who probably isn't even my girlfriend anymore. I've had it with this whole thing.
Huh?
Oh yeah, and you can keep the amulet. Anybody can see I'm nobody's hero.
Mark, wait.
Let him go, Ace. He's kid stuff. We got work to do.
He'll be back.
Yeah, don't bet on it, sweet cheeks.
Ah, he will. A true lightning knight never gives up.
Hey Pete, this hair business sure isn't all it's cracked up to be. It's costing me my grades, my freedom, and worst of all, it might have cost me Samantha.